to the musical legacy of Ken Boothe. And now, we turn our attentions to the screen for more on the living icon, Ken Boothe.
From the heart of Jamaica to the farthest corners of the world, his voice has carried love, longing, resistance, and soul for more than 6 decades. It's the voice of Ken Boothe, and it's not merely heard, it is felt. Ken Boothe is one of Jamaica's most celebrated and influential vocalists, revered for his extraordinary ability to fuse reggae, rocksteady, and soul into a timeless, emotionally rich sound. Rising to prominence in the early 1960s, he became a defining figure of the rocksteady era, delivering a catalog of classics that helped shape the foundation of modern Jamaican music. His effortless phrasing, vocal control, and emotional depth earned him the enduring title Mr. Rocksteady. Among his most outstanding achievements is his historic success on the international stage. In 1974, Boothe reached #1 on the UK singles chart with his haunting rendition of Everything I Own. And I would keep I own. Becoming one of the first Jamaican artists to top the British charts. The song's global success marked a pivotal moment in reggae history, opening doors for Jamaican music worldwide. He followed with additional UK hits, including Crying Over You, further cementing his reputation as a reggae soul crossover pioneer. Boothe's legacy is inseparable from the architects of Jamaica's golden musical era. Throughout his remarkable career, Ken Boothe has received numerous Lifetime Achievements Awards and national honors, including recognition from the Jamaican government for his immeasurable contribution to the country's cultural and music heritage. His influence spans continents and eras, with his work continually covered, sampled, and celebrated by artists across genres. In recognition of his enduring impact and historical significance, it is with great pride that we honor this living legend with a distinction that formally enshrines his place among the giants of Jamaican music. Ken Boothe, a most deserving inductee to the 2026 Jamaica Music Museum Hall of Fame.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand as we honor our living icon, the 2026 inductee into the Jamaica Music Hall of Fame, Mr. Ken Boothe O.D. Come on, Jamaica, let Ken hear you! To present a citation, we welcome our Acting Prime Minister and Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, the Honourable Olivia Grange, who is also joined by our Queen of Reggae, Marcia Griffiths.
Thank you so much, thank you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. All the singers and players of instruments are really there. All my instruments are indeed. Come on, beat up with all the singers. Love all the singers and players of instruments. Thank you so much. Wait.
Give us something, Ken Boothe.
You know, I can't see what I can hear. Let me hear you. I can't see what I can hear. Let me hear you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the band, come up, the band. In friends and friends, you know. Ready to go? all the time, it's of culture and want a ministry. The train is coming, baby. The train is coming now. The train is coming, baby. The train is coming. Train is coming, babe. The train is coming now. You ain't for me. Thank you so much. This is a prestigious award. This is a prestigious award for me. Thank you very much. Yeah, pop is easy, you know. Pop is easy. You know, some of them are kind of Charlie time on that. See that? You know, so you have to see with me, right? Here we go again. Hey, I'm gonna tell you goodbye, babe. I don't wanna see you cry, babe. I'm leaving you behind just for a time. I wonder if one day that you say that you care. If you say you love me, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. I'll be a mother. One day I'm through down in the road. Then I look in the air. Are you leading me on to call out when you be puppet on a string? My sorrow, then my dear, that's the song I would borrow. And tonight to me, one time to do, yeah, I suppose this one. Scream out for myself. Scream out for myself. Scream out for the radio, scream out, man. I'll be just like a merry-go-round, for the fun in my fair. One day I'm feeling down in the ground, and I'll look in the
Music Museum Hall of Fame. And you know what? I must tell all of you, Ken Boothe, Marcia Griffiths, and myself, all three of us are from West East. And we feel so proud to be here, to be with Ken. Yes. And I want to thank Romaine, Virgo, and all the other artists who came tonight to sing Ken Boothe songs and to show their respect. Thank you, Ken. So we're going to take you off stage now. All right? God bless you. You want to do it together? All right. One to go.
Sky first, Sky. Everyone's a Sky. 1, 2, 3. Darling, please come home to me. Artibella, I saw you with a fella, and I don't like the idea. Artibella, you told me that you love me, there's no one else above me. Artibella, you took all my money, then told me you don't want me. Artibella, you know that I love you, but you still go away. Come back to me, baby, each and every day. La 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 la, Artibella, who does all this? Artibella, 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 Thank you. Artibella, come on home. Artibella. Dance out of the dance out of them. Artibella. Have a good night. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 2026 inductee. Our living legend, Mr. Ken Boothe. Come on, let Uncle Ken hear you, please. One more time for him. What an icon, what a man, what a musician.